Hi guys, this video is on how to install Crdroid based on Android 12.1 for MI11X, Redmi K40 or Poco F3. So you need an analog bootloader and you should be on MIUI 12.5.7 and you need these three files in your internal storage: the NIC basic and the FW part of your firmware and the ROM itself. Now all you need to do is boot TWRP by clicking reboot and press the power up button. So the TWRP is booted. Go to wipe, advanced wipe, select card cache, swipe to wipe, click on home screen, install, downloads, firmware part. Okay, I'm already in MIUI, so I don't need to install this. If you're in custom ROM, install the FMID part. Now go to install, select your ROM, swipe to install. Now wait for the installation to take place. So the ROM flashing is done. The fail to mouse errors can be ignored. Click on install NIC and swipe to install. Go to home, go to advanced, install recovery RAM disk, flashed current TWRP, swipe to flash. Now it's on, go to home, reboot and select recovery. No install is just error that can be ignored. So the TWRP is booted. Go to wipe. Okay, it's just a test error. Let's wait for 5 seconds. Now go to wipe, format data, type in yes, YES, enter. So click on reboot system. If you get an error like no was installed, it can be ignored. Okay, so the ROM has booted. As you can see the boot animation. Okay, so let me just set up. So the ROM is set up. This is how the Crdroid based on Android 12.1 looks like. As you can see, these are the widgets. Android 12.1. Look at the smoothness. It's damn cool, 120 Hz full. This is how the notification band looks. So that is all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe.